Moon Rind Microneedle Patch is marketed as a high-tech weight loss solution that uses tiny microneedles to deliver fat-burning or appetite-suppressing ingredients through your skin. But the real question is whether it actually helps you lose weight or just sounds scientific. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Microneedle technology does exist in medicine, and transdermal patches, like nicotine patches, can deliver substances into the body, so the concept itself is real. However, here's the key point. There's a big gap between medical-grade technology and what these viral weight loss patches actually deliver. What it actually does well. Convenient and easy to use. Just stick it on your skin. No pills, no injections, no effort. Science-backed appeal. Terms like microneedles, metabolism, or GLP. One make it sound advanced and convincing, where it falls short. Little to no scientific proof. There's currently no solid human evidence that weight loss patches work effectively. Absorption problem. Even if ingredients are included, there's no guarantee they're absorbed into your bloodstream in meaningful amounts. No real weight loss effect. Weight loss patches alone are not proven to cause actual fat loss. So, does it actually help you lose weight? Short answer, no, not in any reliable or proven way. Even the more advanced versions rely on concepts that haven't been validated in real-world human use. At best, you might see placebo effects. At worst, you're just wasting money on clever marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.